Good morning, everyone. Here's Nova. She wanted to say hi. So today is day 3 on our calendar, so I just wanted to talk a little bit more about that. So we are continuing with lesson 27 for reading in your Write-In Reader. So that looks like this. And then you'll just continue on with all the questions throughout. Probably be around this area, or maybe you finished already, and then you'll end with the questions at the end. For writing, we're moving on to my favorite subject, which is Wednesday in paragraph of the week. I just wanted to take a minute to talk about that. So here is what paragraph of the week for Wednesday would be. Technically day 3. And it says, now that you have your details and explanations written, you must write a topic sentence and a closing sentence. Remember, your topic sentence must let the reader know what you're going to talk about in your paragraph. So you're not really restating the details that you already said, you're writing an opening sentence. So topic sentence is the same thing as an opening sentence. And you can use any of those skills that we've talked about in class before, where you start with a question. Such as, do you have a favorite subject? Or you can start with, what is your favorite subject in school? And then continue on with, well, mine is, and then you're going to start to state what topic or subject that you chose. For the closing sentence, it's basically the same thing that you're going to say in the topic sentence, except for you're going to wrap it up in a different way. So you would use some of those transitions such as you can see, or in conclusion, and then you can end with, my ultimate favorite subject in school would be, and then whatever your favorite subject is. So you're basically just rewording how you worded your topic sentence. Okay, so that's it for writing. And then we have our daily language. So daily language, Wednesday, you're going to make your corrections there for 1 and 2. Complete this analogy. So analogy is like what is listed, what it goes with, what goes hand in hand with it. Like what would pair with, if fire pairs with hot, what would ice pair with? And then the last 2, we have which words is spelled correctly, and then you'll take a look at the words for friend and happiness and circle the one that is spelled correctly. Next, for math on day 3, we have our multiplication review worksheet, and that looks like this here. One thing that I did not notice when I was putting this together is you'll notice that the last 3 are 3 by 3. So you can do one of 2 different things. What you can do is you can just take off that 3rd digit, because you guys know how to do the turtle method using 2 digits on the bottom. However, we never went over 3 digits. So if you want to work it out like that, you may. Or what you can do is either use a calculator or have one of your parents or siblings show you how to add that 3rd digit. I don't want to write on this here, actually. Let me get a piece of paper that I can write on, and I will show you myself. Okay, so if you were doing 483 times 537. Okay, we would do our total the same way we normally do, like that. 7 times 3, 21. 7 times 8, 56, 57, 58. And then our 7 times 4, 28, plus 5, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33. And then we would show our turtle method. Put the collar on, cross off what's above, and then drop the turtle egg for our next number. So then you would follow through with the 3s. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 8 is 24. 4. 3 times 4 is 12, 13, 14. And then, believe it or not, we would just cross this guy out, cross the top out, and we would put another 0 and another 0 for our third number to repeat those steps. So last we would do 5 times 3, which is 15. 5 times 8, which is 41. And then 5 times 4, which is 20, and then 4. So I know it seems like a lot at the bottom, but you are then going to add up all of those numbers. So 1 plus 0 plus 0, 1. 8 and 9, 17. 3 and 4, 7, 8. Oh, and then the 5, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Oop, almost missed that one. And then continue, 7, 8, 9. 4 and 1 is 5, and then we have our 2, and we follow our 1, 2, 3, comma, a final answer being 259,371. So that's how you would solve those last 3. Otherwise, you're just going to use the turtle method for the top 3. And then we move on into Social Studies Day 3, 14 through 21. So on this area, you're going to be reading about symbols and legends. And then on the remaining pages, you're going to read about political maps. Okay, looks like this. And it's going to carry you to the reading check, which is on this page. And then the last section you're going to read is geography themes up close, and ending with that map there. The last thing that you have on day 3 will be your science, 290 to 291, and then you're going to do your lesson 2 check questions. So a little less reading for today. So you'll read here and finish the questions, and then you'll read here and then complete the lesson check below. All right, that's all, my friends. I still do have my Yeti going strong every day. We miss you guys. I've been talking to Miss Nolan every single day, just checking in with her. So if you ever want to write me a message on Dojo or email me, feel free. And I hope everyone is spending a lot of time with family and getting outside. Hope to see you soon.